Today, we're looking at how you can give your tips to show your expertise on social media. This is Flower Vision. They are based in Bristol. And one of the things that they've done is they have done a really lovely video which shows you how to basically the different conditioning that you would use for your wedding flowers. Now, let's take a little look. Okay, so you get the idea. What they do is this is basically showing that if you got wedding flowers from them, this is what to do with them. So this is how to store them. This is how to look after them. This is how to make sure that they bloom. So it's an independent wholesaler. And what they want to do is basically is to show how they would prepare the flowers for a wedding. So I guess it's any business, any people that want to come and get their flowers from an independent wholesaler would see this and think, wow, I'm 100% going to use this. So given a step-by-step guide that can be used by clients or retailers to boost the health and the beauty of the flowers. They've also tagged in the company here as well, the ones that have actually used it, so to actually show it. So this is Flower Vision Bristol, and then they've actually shown it's basically, I guess it's almost user generated content, isn't it? So it's content by someone who has bought flowers from them on how to make the flowers last. So just make sure that anything like that, you're giving tips, you're giving explanations, you're giving value to show how people can get the most from your product. Now, if I was Flower Vision Bristol, one of the things that I would want to do is I would want to ensure that I was engaging within my location. So I would do this, go to engagement, engage, and then within that, you would go to your location. Now, what this does on the Maybe platform is that it allows you to ensure that you are, I guess, coming up to other businesses within your area. Now, being a business within Bristol, I would want to make sure that other businesses there knew that I existed, because guess what? If you're going to, I don't know, the local bar, or you're going to the local restaurant, or indeed the local wedding venue shop, something like that, for weddings, that was very specific there, then I would want to make sure that I was engaging with you. So there you go. I just typed in Bristol, and then these are all the local businesses that are coming up. So this is radio, this is a food place. Here you go, you've got watches, and you've got charities, you've got tailoring. So all that I would do is then I, as the business, would I would comment on it, and then anybody else who's engaging within this post will suddenly see my comment and think, oh, I never heard of Flower Vision Bristol, and that looks really good. I'll go back to them. And also it then opens up the businesses to each other, meaning that they're much more likely to almost create a little bit of networking. Now, as always, if you've got any questions, click on the little blue button. We love to help.